How do you create a bump chart in Tableau? In this example, I'm seeing how category and subcategories compare against each other. If I click on office supplies, you can see the rank of office supplies going up and down. Being the highest is the best, being rank of 1 is the best, and being ranked of 7 is the worst. If I click on others, you can see how their ranks change over time. This is the main function of a bump chart. Let's go back to our sheet and see how to do this in Tableau. A bump chart normally starts with a date axis. So I'm going to grab date and put it on the columns. And let's make it month. Let's put my category, subcategory, onto rows. And put quantity into the view. A bump chart uses rank, not the actual measure. So I'm going to change quantity to rank by using a quick table calculation. Let's make sure it's indexed correctly by editing the table calculation and changing it to for each month. So a long category / sub for each month. Click OK. And we see the first one, furniture bookcases, is going from 6 to 7, 6, 7, back and forth a couple times. This is going from 1 the whole time. So that's our rank. To make this a bump chart, let's move our rank up to rows, category down to color. Now this is a bump chart. If I click on each one, I can see how the rank changed over time. Generally, a rank of 1 is best, so let's add the axis and reverse it. So 1 is on top, 7 is on the bottom. Hope this helps.